Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्. How is enlightened person? He is unagitated. His mind is unagitated. And the sukha, dukkha and all this, unagitated in all sorrows, and the not elated in dukkha. That the best example is Bhagavan Ramachandra only. When Vishwamitra Maharshi comes, he was staying in that royal, that palace, and then experiencing all the royal life and all. He went with Vishwamitraji without any complaint. He went with Vishwamitraji. And then Dukkeshu Anudvigna Manaha. Rama, tomorrow you have to go to forest. No problem. No problem at all. He did not get elated when he heard about coronation. And then when he heard about exile, that time also unagitated. When all these sorrows or joy comes, equanimity of mind, that is Sthitaprajna Lakshana. Now we can check ourselves. This Adhyatmika Shastra is like a mirror. We can look at that Shastra and then we can check whether everything is correct or not. Equanimity of mind is not there, then we are not reached that point. Because he is, why these things are all why he is unagitated, why he is having equanimity of mind in every situation. How is possible? Because he contented in the self. He is contented in the self. Therefore, he can remain in this space of opposite. Samatvam, that is the result of this contentment. The first characteristic is his contentment is so full. Atma tushtaha or Atma samtripti. Then samatvam, equanimity of mind in sorrows or joys. Contented in the self is the main thing. And that only leads to nishkama, the desirelessness also. Then contented in the self, desirelessness, equanimity of mind in the sorrows or joys, that way. Now this much we have seen. These all seekers should practice all these things. This Sthitaprajna, an enlightened person, in him these lakshanas are natural. We have to take all these virtues and then we have to practice it. We have seen in a second chapter itself, we have, Bhagavan has said, a person who can bear the pace of opposite, he is fit for this knowledge. One who can bear this heat or cold, shitoshnadi, vishahyata. This equanimity of mind is very natural, very effortless for a Sthitaprajna Purusha, but we must practice. If you are Sthitaprajna, then no need of practicing and all, no need of that sadhana. Sthitaprajna is one who reached that sadhya. He's everything accomplished, siddha. There is a beautiful saying in Sanskrit about sorrow and joy. Agade swagadam kuriyad. Anything that comes, you welcome it. It's coming, na? We are not inviting and all, just is coming to us. Gachandam na nivarayeda. And when something is going away from us, don't try to stop it. Let it go. If headache comes, when you our guest and all comes, na, we will ask, na, coffee or tea, whatever what you want, like that we will ask, na. The same way ask headache, aspirin or crocin or dolo, what you want. Sometimes some disease needs some surgery and all, that way. Agade swagadam kuriyada. When it comes, welcome it. And then when it goes, gachandam na nivarayeda. When something is going away, then don't try to stop it. Sukha dukkha is not going to be all the time. Sukhavum dukkhavum anubhava kalam. While experiencing that time only, this sukha and dukkha, when it goes, na, this both won't be there. And what is there with all the time with us? Our Swarupa, Ananda Swarupa, that alone remain all the time. Actually speaking, there is no joy or sorrow. It is the situation which is capable giving you sorrow or joy. Whether to become miserable or not, that is depend upon you. The situation, how to respond that situation. Actually speaking, we told that example of a handicapped person. He, in spite of all that limitations of his body, he will be happy. Not all, but some people are very happily doing all this work and all. And how they are responding there to that situation. And that only make us miserable or joyous and all. How much agitated you become, then how much calm way we can remain, that and all depends upon you only, depends upon us only. And then how many things over? Contentment in the self, equanimity of mind in sorrow and joy, and then vidaraga bhayakrodha. Vidaraga bhayakrodha. Freedom from attachment, fear, anger. Attachment alone is the cause of fear, and attachment alone is the cause of anger also. If attachment goes away, fear also goes away, anger also goes away. Now what is fear? Some people having general fear. I am afraid of everything. Fear arises from attachment only. The greatest fear of this world is death only. One day we have to die. That about death, we have so much fear. Why we are afraid of this disease and all, this diabetes? Oh, diabetic is a silent killer. That's why I have to avoid that diabetes. For that I have to do exercise, walking, everything. Why we are having so much fear about our death? Everything, all the fear is only because of this death. Some people, in spite of all disease, they won't die. Maybe in their that inner instruments, nothing is working, no organ is working, and then also some people are living. Why I am telling all these things? There is no such a relationship between disease and death and all. Sometimes fit people can die immediately. Or a fit person can die, some accident also. But we have got fear about this death. When it happens and all, vidichidunna karma modungumbol padichidunnu deha moredat. When that all the karma we are supposed to do all the karma, that karma over, then that time our body also will fall. Anybody is having afraid of unknown thing?